Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be showing you how to make this very delicious sauce and also hacks to break your coconut. Welcome to the social side of YouTube. My name is Teresa Metuka and welcome to my channel today. The first thing to do when making your curry goat is to season your meat. My goat meat has been washed well, so season it with some onions, garlic, ginger, Scotch bonnet pepper, paprika, curry, rosemary, and salt. Drizzle some oil and lemon juice. The reason why I'm adding lemon juice is to help break down the protein in the meat, making it more tender. The lemon juice will also add flavor, and it also helps to mellow that strong flavor of goat meat. We all know that goat meat has a very strong flavor, whereas some people don't really like it. But if you don't want that, you can add lemon juice to it and you will see that strong flavor will reduce drastically. And lemon juice will also add that freshness to your sauce. Mix well together to ensure the meat is well coated with all the spices. Once the meat has been coated properly with the spices, the next thing is to marinate this for 2 hours or overnight. This step is very important. This will what to make your meat taste so flavorful and very tasty. So you have to marinate this for 2 hours or overnight. This is very important. What you have to do is to prep for other ingredients as your meat is marinating in the fridge. So yeah, I'm cutting up some potato. So we are using Irish potato in our curry. So in making curry sauce is the same method. If you're using chicken, if you're using beef, or whatever protein you're using, that's meat protein you're using, is the same step. So the steps are same. So if you're not a fan of goat meat, you can use whatever meat protein that you prefer and follow this same method. So it's been 3 weeks I posted on my channel. My uploading days are still the same, so I had to take care of my sister. She just put to bed to a bouncing baby girl, so I have to take care of her for like 3 weeks. So but now I'm back. Cut the potato into chunks. If you're coming across my channel for the first time, thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to hit on the subscribe button, turn on the notification to get notified of when I drop new videos. So once you've cut your potato into chunks, the next thing you want to do is drizzle with some oil and add in some paprika, garlic powder, coriander, and sage, and mix this together and place in the oven. So the reason why I'm roasting my potato is to add more depth of flavor to my curry sauce and also the potato. You can skip this part and I'll tell you when to add your potato if you're not roasting it, making your curry sauce. If you're enjoying this video, do not forget to hit on the like button. Comments below. I would love to hear from you. If you have any question, do well by going to the comment section and dropping your question, and I'll definitely respond to it. So I'm making the curry goat, making use of coconut milk, and I'm making my own homemade coconut milk. So this is the hack to break your coconuts very easily. Place your coconut on fire and turn at interval. This method takes about 2 to 3 minutes to do. Very easy. The reason why I love this method so much is that your coconut will be in a hole and it's very easy to do. Just watch this video and see the way this is going to turn out. You can see how the shell has cracked. You know that your coconut is ready. Your shell doesn't really have to crack. Just for 2 to 3 minutes of doing this, your coconut will be ready. Just use a hammer or any object that you have. I'm using a wooden spoon just to show you how very easy it is to break off the back of the coconut or to get the meat of your coconut very easy. Just do this and you will see all the shells of your coconuts will come out. I'm just extracting the water from the coconut. So use a knife and easily remove the shell of the coconut. You can see coconut is ready. Very easy, no stress, no hitting up and down, no throwing the coconut up and down. This is very easy and very amazing hack. So the next thing you want to do is to cut your coconut into chunks or into pieces so that you can blend. I just added water to my blender, added the coconut, and I'm going to blend this until smooth. I use tap water and that's it. Draining into a pitcher or sieve and squeeze out the milk. If you want yours to be very milky, reduce the water. Because I'm going to cook this, that's why I added a lot of water to it. So use as little water as possible if you want to make coconut milk so that it will be thicker. So the next thing is to start our sauce proper. Add in oil to pot, add in your seasoned meat and let this fry until brown on both sides. So this is where non-stick pot comes in handy because your meat is going to burn. But if you don't have non-stick pots like I don't, do not worry, you can still make this. You will see that at the end of the day everything is going to mix up together, so no fuss for alarm. So this took a couple of minutes for the meat to brown. So but I stir at interval, but yes, it's still burn because like I said, it's going to burn because I'm not using a non-stick pot. But don't worry, the flavors are still there and everything will work out amazingly well. So the next thing you want to do is to add in chopped onions, Scotch bonnet pepper, tomato paste, curry leaf. You can skip the curry leaf and add curry powder. You can also add thyme leaf or bay leaf as well. Mix this together properly. Add in your coconut milk. So if you don't feel like making your coconut milk, you can make use of canned coconut milk as well. It works well too. And add in your meat stock. If you don't have meat stock, you can add water as well and leave this to cook for 1 hour or 2 hours on low heat. You want your meat to be very, very soft. You want it to fall off its bones. So leave this to cook on low heat or medium to low heat for 1 hour or 2 hours. Just check at intervals to see if the water has reduced and check if the meat is very soft and you are good to go. So my meat is properly cooked, like it is so soft, it's falling off the bone. So the next thing we're going to add is our potato. So if, like I said before, if you are not roasting your potatoes, yes, this is a proper time to add your potato. But you're going to be cooking this for 15 minutes. That's if you do not roast your potato, or 30 minutes. That's depending on how strong your potatoes are. But because I've roasted mine is already cooked, so I don't have to cook it for that lengthy time. I'm going to cook it for 5 minutes and added my bell pepper, and I'll cooking this for 5 minutes. But if you do not roast your potato, you should cook your potato for 15 minutes or 30 minutes. That's depending on how soft your potatoes are. So after 5 minutes or 15 minutes or 30 minutes, depending on how long you're boiling your potato, add in your spring onions. And guess what? Your curry sauce is ready. This is so yummy, very delicious, and very flavorful. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, don't forget to hit on the like button, comment below, subscribe if you haven't, turn your notification to get notified of when I drop new videos. My uploading days are Fridays and Sundays, 5 p.m. Nigerian time. Thank you lots for watching. I'll see you on the other flip side. Bye for now. Enjoy to have a lovely day. Lots of kisses.